Hello, today I'm going to be going over conditional formatting in Sybiz Vision and show you some places that it's available. Now, I'm on the inventory quantity analytic at the moment and it's great. It shows me my stock levels and information about my products that I need to know. But I want to be able to use some graphical representations to better filter the data so that I can quickly have a look and see some stuff. Now, how do we do this? Well, if we right click on this total field and come down to conditional formatting, we've got a bunch of options here that we can apply to this grid. We can highlight cells that are greater than or less than values. We can look at the top 10 or the bottom 10 or percentage base. We can look at unique or duplicates, and we can do a bunch of graphical representations through data bars, color scales, and icon sets. Okay, so what I'm interested in right now is I want to know which ones are 0, positive, or negative. So I can use this icon set rule here and come down and pick this arrow, and if we click on it, it applies to that. And we can easily see that we've got some zeros, we've got some positives, and we've got some negatives. Okay, cool. What else can I do? Well, on top of this, I want to know which 10 products I've got the most in stock. Okay, so if we come back here, go to conditional formatting, and we go top bottom rules, and we do top 10 items. We can do whatever we want to this. We can say give it a green fill, and we can apply the formatting to the entire row, so the whole row gets a green fill. And if we hit OK now, we can see that we can see our top 10 really easily now, and we can still see which ones are negative and 0 or positive. Okay, what if I don't want these rules anymore? I want to change them or something. Well, we can come in here and we come down to conditional formatting and manage rules. You can edit all these rules that we've set up, and if you come down here, you can just do a clear rules for the column or all columns, which just quickly removes them. Cool. We can do a similar thing on other grids too, say our customers grid. I've got a situation here where I want to know which groups are exports. I've got US exports here and UK exports, and I just want to highlight everything that's got exports in it. So if I come up here to the group, same thing, do conditional formatting. I'm going to do this time text that contains. I'm going to type the word exports in, and again I'm going to do a green fill, not with green text, to the entire row. There we go. We can easily see all the groups that contain exports in them. So that's really quick and easy to set up, right? But we can also do it on our transactional grids for sales and purchases. So if I just open this up that I've already saved, I want to know which products are coming from location 2 and have a total greater than 1,000. So if I click on the conditional formatting here, we get that rule manager that we saw before, and if you click new rule, you get all your other options, just not in that menu here. I'm going to come down to this user formula to determine which cells to format, and I'm going to go where the location equals 2, which is New South Wales, and the total is greater than, I'm going to type in 1,000 here. I come down to this format option, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a red fill. I'm going to go OK, and I'm going to apply this to the entire row. And if I click OK now, we can see that the row that's met that criteria, which is row 2, has highlighted itself as red. And whatever I've got to do from here, I know about it, so I've got the attention. Okay, so that's a quick overview of conditional formatting and the kind of stuff you can do with it. Thank you for choosing Sybiz.